Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to apply the protective glass or protective foil on this device. Before we start, you will need a couple of things. First, you will need the glass or foil, of course. Next, you will need something to clean the glass off, some kind of cloth or wipe. And you could also use a sticker or tape, basically something that is sticky, to remove the dust from your glass, dust particles. Usually, if you buy a glass, you get the whole kit with wet wipes, dry wipes, and the sticker to remove the dust. But if you don't have something like that, you could use always the transparent tape or some kind of tape to remove the dust from the screen. This is the less recommended option, but it will do. You may also consider to do this in some kind of room that is less dusty, or it has higher humidity in it, because if there is a higher humidity in the room, the dust will not be flying as much in the room. For example, you could go to a bathroom, start the shower, hot shower leave it for a couple of minutes, and then do it, because it's gonna be more humid in the bathroom at that point, and you can try to do it if you have problems with dust. Okay, so let's start. First, we need to clean the screen. So I'm gonna use a wet wipe for this. I got provided with when I bought the glass, so I'm gonna clean the screen with the wet wipe. I believe it's one with the alcohol. Yeah, it smells like alcohol. So let's clean the screen like this, let it dry off a little. Now I'm gonna use the dry wipe to dry it off. Like this. Okay. Now let's check if we have some dust on the screen. This one looks quite clean, so pick up the glass, remove the protective layer from the glass or the foil. You have two sides of them. And then we need to apply it. This glass is cut out, so it's gonna be quite simple. It just fits on the screen like this. Be careful about the air bubbles. Sometimes they stay, so you need to use your finger to get the air out of the glass, simply by pressing the finger and just pushing the air to the edge of the glass or foil, like that. Okay, this looks good. And once you're done, you can also clean the glass with the wet wipe, like this, and then dry it off with the dry wipe. Like this. And here we have it. We have the protective glass on our screen. So we maybe now we have the reassurance that the screen won't get scratched when we do something. Okay, and that's how you apply the protective glass or foil on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.